Hello, this is Mike McGinn, your instructor for NETi115 for the spring of 2017. Quick little video here to show you the navigation of the NetAcad platform for NETi115. This is your home screen that we're looking at right now once you log into the course through NetAcad. You have a couple options here. One is you can launch the course, and the second is that you can go into student resources. The student resources, this is where you will find directions for installing Packet Tracer. So if you haven't got Packet Tracer installed, you definitely want to do that. If you have an old version, uninstall it and reinstall this one. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of frustration in the course. If you launch the course, what happens is you get into kind of a navigation interface, and what you can do is you can drill down into anything in the course this way. So you can get into chapter 1 and you can go to whatever section you want, and within that section you can go to whatever topic, and then whatever page within that topic or activity within that topic. This is a good way to drill down to a particular packet tracer. For example, if I want to get to a packet tracer in section 2.2, let's see, our basic switch configurations. Yeah. Excuse me. You can see that all the pages show up here, and here's your lab, and here's your packet tracer. So if you know your packet tracer is 2.2.4.10, you know you need to navigate from 2 to 2.2 to 2.2.4, and then within there you'll find 2.2.4 to 10. So that's one way to find your packet tracer. Another way to find a packet tracer, which I think is quicker and easier, is that whenever you're in the course for a particular, you can go into the course index, and there's a packet tracer index, and you can just quickly scroll down and find whatever packet tracer you're looking for. You can also do this for labs as well. This will allow you to actually print off the PDFs or to open the PDFs for a particular lab. These labs may be exactly the same as in NetLabs. They may be a little different. The labs in NetLabs are a different version of the course than this one. They haven't caught that up yet. But the PDFs are in here for the labs. There also may be a couple of labs that don't require NetLabs, and if that's the case, this is where you would find the PDF to complete and to submit for your assignment. So there's also a video index, lab index, packet tracer index, and then the course index. So this is just another way to navigate the course. I give you several ways to get around in here, which I think adds to the confusion, but I think as a matter of preference, you'll find this easier in the long run. This button here returns you to class, which basically just takes you to the main screen. So I've showed you how to find a packet tracer so that you can do the packet tracer. So next thing is to submit your assignments. Submit your assignments, you just basically go to whatever week's assignments you want to work for or look for, and it gives you the list of assignments that are due that week. So in this session 4, as an example, you've got 2 packet tracers and a lab. You may also on your course calendar have other things like a quiz and a chapter exam to take. This is just going to show you the packet tracers and labs that you have to submit. I'm assuming you can read your course calendar and you'll know that you have other things besides this to do as far as exams and quizzes. I'll show you how to find your exams and quizzes in just a second. But again, to submit an assignment, what I would recommend you do is you do all your work for the week and save everything to your local drive. Just make a folder on your local drive that's called Session 4. And then as you complete Packet Tracer 3127, store your files there. And when you complete 3224, store your files there. when you do your lab, save that that Word document with your answers to the lab in 3225 to that same folder. And then what you do is when you're ready to submit all your stuff for the week, click Submit Assignment, and then just simply go through this dialog here and submit all the files for the week. And that way you're just doing it once. So for example, if I wanted to submit several files here, and these aren't specific lab files, these are just what I have on my local drive. I can, if I click another file, I can pick something else, and so on and so forth. And then I just click Submit. And what will happen is up here in the upper right hand corner, when it's done, it'll show me the files that I've submitted, and that it'll show that I am turned in. Okay? So that's that's how I want you to submit your assignments. That way in the grade book they'll show me that they've been submitted, and I know that I have things to grade. Now, how do I find my other stuff? Well, on the assignments page, this it does sorts by date, which I think is unfortunate because I'm not putting due dates on the chapter exams. You guys know when they're due. So what I would do is when I get into this screen, I would click the type button, and then that'll do it by section. And you can see all your session assignments are here, or at least the placeholders where you're going to submit those assignments and the due dates for those. Also, your pretest exam can be obtained here. All your chapter exams and your practice skills assessments can be found here. The skills exams, which are the practice final, will be found here, as well as, I'm sorry, your hands-on final will be found here, and your practice final exam, etc. And you won't be able to just go in here and like, for example, right now, go ahead and take Chapter 9 exam. I don't enable that to be taken until shortly before we get to the chapter. So I do allow you to work ahead a little bit, but I don't allow you to work ahead 5-6 weeks. So that's how you navigate in NetAcad. I hope this helps you, and good luck.